In this lesson, I'm gonna talk about how to calculate percentage, tip, discount, so on and so forth. For example, you went to the restaurant and you eat food, and let's say you spent with all family 460. So you have to pay tip too. Let's say tip is 10%. That means whatever 10% equal, you have to add the 460. So you will be paying on top of that. So 460 plus what you calculate for the 10%. What about you went to the store and you wanna buy stuff? Then it's going to be discount. Discount means you subtracting. Tip you add. So it depends what the question is. So find 10% of 460. What is how much is 10% of 460, let's say. Okay, so you were given 460. Always remember, whatever the number you were given, divide 100. Okay, before you talked about the percentage. So you given 460, divide 100. So 1020. This now equal to 4.6, right? In decimal, right? You divide 100 because percentage is 100. So whatever number you were given, divide 100. Like here, 460 divided 100, right? So now what are we gonna get here? 4.6 after we divide 100, right? 1, 2, that's 2 places, right? You move in 2 units to the left, right? 1, 2. Anytime you divide in 100, you go to the left. That's what I was saying, scientific notification on 8th grade. So anytime you move into the left when you divided the number, right? Decimal number, you go to the left. So now it's 100, 2 unit, 20. So it is equal to 4.6. By the time you get the decimal number, you multiply. If they say 10%, 10 times 4.6. If they say 2%, 2 times 4.6. If it says 15%, 15 times 4.6. If it says 3%, 3 times 4.6. So first divide 100, the total of the number. Once you divide the 100, you will get the decimal number. Then multiply whatever the number that is given for the percentage, right? So now we need to do 4.6 times a 10 because this is 10% the discount, right? So 4.6 times 10. So what are we gonna get? 46. If you have to pay tip, you will pay 46. So you will be paying 460 plus 46. If it is like a tax, the government tax, then you will pay 460 plus 46, right? If it is discount, then you have to say 460 minus 46, right? So this is the answer is, that's how you calculate. So let's say you went to restaurant, you eat pizza, pasta, anything like, you spend $42, right? That's how much you spend. And then the tip, they say, is 18%. 42 divided 100 is what? 0.42, because 2 decimal, you move into the left. 0.42. Now what are you going to do? Think about it here. How much you going to multiply? The 18 now. Now it says 18. So what are you going to do? 0.42 times 18. Whatever you get, that's the tip, right? So you divided 100, you got 0.42, right? And then you multiply the 18. Very simple. All right, this is 7th grade, okay, for the calculating discount, tip, the percentage, so 7.5. How much you will pay tip now? 42 plus 7.45. This is going to be how much the total you will pay. You will pay 49.5, right? So this is included the tip. Okay, so it's good to know how much is, the percentage you calculating to pay a tip, to pay a discount, to pay tax. So this is how you calculate whatever money you spend it. That's the first thing. The second thing, divided 100, you get the decimal number, then multiply the what is the percentage. If it's 18, multiply 18. If it's a 10, multiply the 10, right? This is the way to calculate a percentage. So let's say you spend $20, the discount is 10%, so which means you're not going to pay the whole 20. The discount, you're saving 10%, right? So you have to know what to do. Like I keep saying, divided 100, you get 0.2. What is the next? Times 10. Times 10. This is the $2. How much you gonna pay? 20 minus 2, 18. That's the final answer, right? You will pay what? 18. So this is how you do the calculating percentage for a 7th grade.